I became a fan of air fryers a couple of years now, and whenever I found out about these air fryer liners, I'm even that much more interested in air fryers. These take a lot of the work out of it. They allow you to put this into the air fryer and it'll collect grease and spills, cheese, and just even crumbs and things. Makes it no difference at all when cooking. And this style, I'm hoping, will even help keep like a piece of pizza or something up off the bottom a little bit and will allow for some airflow. So this set, I was really impressed with the colors. It comes with like a blue, a charcoal, and a beige. These are super cool colors. You never know how thick they're going to be, but now that I'm holding on to them, they're really thick. They do have a little tab here for if you've got something in here that's hot, you can pull it out. And as you can see, they nest inside each other for storage. These are going to be easy to clean. They're rugged. I can already tell they're going to last a good long time. They look good. Hope this helps.